Tim's like, I'm videotaping all the lightning.
No, this is what was going on that night. There was no light.
Have a nice night, you guys.
Good night.
It's War of the Worlds.
I'm telling you, there was no lightning. I mean, no thunder. What is today's date?
Wednesday.
The 19th, Wednesday the 19th this is. It's the same thing that was kind of happening that night. I'm at FPC High School. Oh, man.
Oh, wow. It's like 9.
I'm telling you, this is the way it was that night.
Did you tape it on your phone the last time?
Yeah,
Are
I
you
think
even
so.
recording?
Yeah, I am. Can you hold that a minute?
Yeah.
And I kept telling my wife, there's 2 fronts, guaranteed. At least it looks like it. I'm gonna put, hold on.
Huh?
You know, hold?
I got it.
I'll just put it right here. Wow, that is cool the way they.
That's crazy.
I like it when you catch them behind the clouds,
Yeah.
in between the clouds.
I wish I had like sound, like harsh sounds, so I couldn't sleep at night. Alright, bye guys. Bye.
See ya. That is so cool. That's the way it was that night. Exactly.
That's crazy.
I wonder if this is a natural phenomenon that it happens. The lightning, where it's nothing behind it.
It's just heat lighting, but it's so cute.
I don't think it's heat lightning. I honestly don't think it's heat lightning.
They're having a rave in the sky.
No, I really don't know if it's heat
like
lightning
a
or
strobe
what.
light.
Because if it was heat lightning, it would be hotter than it is, but you've got a nice breeze coming off the ocean. I just wonder if it's a regular occurrence.
I'm gonna make my boyfriend and everyone that comes over his house play charades.
That's cool.
I'm gonna be like, hey guys, let's play charades.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm messing with you.
No, it's all right.
That plane must be getting a full view.
Oh yeah, there's a plane flying right through it. I would love to be in a plane with that right now.
You can out the
Oh,
window like this.
yeah, it would. See, I think this is so cool. I think it's like God's way of showing us
Yeah.
that this is look at what I can do,
Yeah.
and you don't even have to hear it.
It's like a light show.
Yeah. Very cool.
They're having a rave, I'm telling you.
Because the last time this happened was May 4th. That would have been cool if it was every month at the same time. Then you would think that something's up. Whoa, look at that. That plane.
Oh man, I took a picture.
That is so cool. I wonder if this is heat lightning. And I wonder if that has any effect on the planes.
Not showing that good.
Wow, that was cool. That's like right behind that cloud. See, when I see stuff like this, I get so many questions. I really do.
How is this happening?
Yeah, it's just like, you know, what causes it?
probably is two fronts clashing. It's just going so fast.
Yeah, because it is moving away, right? Or is it me?
Florida's the lightning capital of the world.
Yeah.
You see all the lightning. All that craziness.
I think that's so cool because we just got out of school and here it is. Same thing as a month ago. Maybe it is aliens landing.
Maybe.
Maybe my brother-in-law was right.
It's more of the world.
Yeah. Maybe he was right. That doesn't make you curious on what causes that?
Yeah, it does. But then again, what causes the sun to shine every day?
Yeah, true. Well, that we already know. It's gases on a planet that are just burning. But I mean, for everyday person, something like this is not like normal.
No, because that's not something you see every day.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. That looks so cool. But it is moving away. You can see it's moving away. Slowly, but... What is that, a tower over there?
Where?
Up to your right.
No, I think it's just a light.
That's a light?
All the way over there? Oh, yeah, maybe that
Is it a tower? Oh, yeah, it's one of these lights.
Yeah.
It's one of the football field lights.
Yeah, I don't know what causes that to happen
Yeah.
so fast like that, because it's continuous.
Yeah, it's like it doesn't stop. I mean, I'm already at 8 minutes.
And it's been going.
8 minutes. And it's probably been going for quite a while already.
Yeah. And it's happening all in the clouds, too.
Yeah, it's just like cloud to cloud. It's not hitting the ground or it's not making any noise.
No.
I'm like totally fascinated by this.
Intrigued.
Yeah.
Inquiring minds want to know.
Yeah, I would love to know what this is.
Why this is happening? Please tell us. The weather people can't tell you why that happened?
I don't know. They were researching it. Whoa, did you see that one go across the clouds?
No.
It was a big bolt. Went up and down, zigzagged. And it went horizontally. Wait until I tell my wife, it's happening again, hon. My brother-in-law's gonna say, world's coming to an end, I know it.
The signs of the times.
Yeah. Because it really isn't that hot out right now.
No. And we're looking at it from a distance. I
Yeah.
want to know what the people are looking at that are right underneath that.
Yeah, I would love to be in a plane right now. Wow, that was a good one. But that night, Becca, this was exactly the same way it was.
Yeah, I know. I saw that video.
Yeah, exactly. My son was like, oh, it's got to be a spaceship. I was like, I don't think so.
It's gonna be a spaceship. I can't believe Tony Soprano died.
Yeah. I could watch something like this all night. I really could. If it was like that over here and it started, I would have came outside during class if I would have known it.
Saw that through the thing.
If I would have known it, I would have told her I'm clocking out. I want to see this whole thing. Oh, that was a good one.
Look.
I know. I would love to be in the middle of
Let's
that.
go to the airport and see if we
Wow.
can get on a plane.
I would love to be in a plane like that, flying close to it, heading into it, or just above it and take some video. Oh man, that would be way cool.
Look, they're heading right for it. They probably want to see what's up.
Well, there was a guy that I was researching, and he said that it's, oh man, that was a good one. Behind the cloud, though, he was saying that the excuse me, he was saying that the lightning was something to do with, from what he was, his theory on it was that it's something to do with gamma rays.
Really?
Yeah, something to do with lightning that doesn't hit the ground, and it's black lightning or something like that. I don't know if that's true, but that was a cool one.
I want to be in that plane.
Yeah, me too. I'd definitely be videotaping that.
Well, I don't know if I want to be in that plane if the plane gets struck.
But he was saying something about gamma rays, that the gamma rays will go through you if you're in a plane above it, because it goes from cloud to this outer space.
Huh.
From what he says, I don't know how true it is, but
It's just so weird.
yeah.
It's just like cloud lightning.
That night was a biggie, though. That night it was really cool.
You were probably closer to it too.
I was in the same type of scenario, but it had a lake in front of me.
Yeah.
But it was above us more.
Look, they're flying right into it.
Yeah.
Luckies. Lucky people.
You don't have to stand here with me if you don't want. I'm gonna videotape this. I like videotaping stuff like this. I'm at already 12 minutes, 13 minutes. But you can see it is getting further away from us.
I wish you would come closer. Move this way.
Wow, that was a good one. Comes another one. I wish I had a plane. Yeah, he's just circling it. You see that plane? He just circled it.
Yeah, they're probably like, what's over there? Oh, let's not go that way. That is what happened in War of the Worlds. The lightning started and
yeah.
Like, psh, psh, psh.
Yeah, then you had a ship that came down, I thought.
They came down in the lightning.
Yeah.
The pods came down into the ground and then they came up and they were like...
Yeah, that's right. I remember that.
Vaporizing people.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it was the pods.
And they came up and they're... and then like, boom, boom. And everybody's like with their video cameras, oh, look at that! And then, pew, person goes, dust.
They had a... the War of the Worlds was originally a radio station show.
Yeah, it came out.
Yeah, and a lot of people killed themselves over that.
And it was fake.
Yeah.
It was like a story.
It was a talk show. That was like one of the first talk shows, I think.
It came out. The first night it came out, people started freaking out.
Yeah.
They thought it was really happening.
Yeah.
Like
It's very cool.
I would have or something.
Yeah. I guess if there's no TV, I guess it would be, you would.
I think my mom was.
You would
there
definitely. No, it was older than your mother.
Oh, it was.
Yeah, it was like in the 20s or even earlier than that, maybe. Right before TV came out.
The radio.
There was a radio. They had the radio shows.
Like the
Maybe it was
50s.
1918 or something. Might have been. I got to look that up now. Now that I was talking about it. And they had a TV radio show.
It came out.
And it was like
Halloween.
it was kind of like a Howard Stern show or something like that, you know, or a some kind of like talk show.
Yeah.
And they had people acting it out on stage. Yeah.
Jeez.
All right, I think I'm done.
All right.
We're at 15 minutes. All righty. Just give me one good one.